Alright, here we go. Okay.
Okay. So first, I guess we'll set the alarm. Set. We're going to set the alarm for 2:18. So let's go to 14. Go to the next value, 18. We'll set it for 19 actually. So the alarm's set for 2:19 Central Time. Okay, I guess let's set the time now. So we're going to set time for Central Time Zone. Set the time. So the current time is 2:17. Oh, I missed it, so we have to go back. Okay, so we have the alarm set, or this is the clock, and we set it for 2:17. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the menu, and we'll look at the temperature sensor now. So here's the temperature in Celsius and in Fahrenheit. Okay, now we're going to exit, and we'll look at a few of the clock functions. So we have 6 different time zones that we can look at. I'm actually not going to show them right now because it'll mess up the alarm. So we'll wait for the alarm to go off. It should be going off in about a minute. So let's go back to Central Time Zone and we'll just wait for it. So in the Central Time Zone you can set the time again or you can view the time. So we'll just view the time for now. We have about 50 seconds until the alarm goes off. We also didn't get the timer working just because time constraints, but everything else is working pretty well. The menu is actually a little bit messed up. This S should actually be over here. I'm not sure why that's not working right now, but that's what it is. It's got about 15 seconds left, and when the alarm goes off, these 2 LEDs should blink, I think for 4 seconds, and then they'll stop blinking and the buzzer will keep going off and a menu should actually pop up. Alright, there we go. So actually just this LED was blinking and now it stopped. So it'll keep going until we hit S2 and that'll exit back to the menu. Alright, so we exited back to the menu. So let's look at a few of the clock functions again. So we can look at different time zones. Let's look at Eastern Time Zone. We'll view it. So as you can see, it's an hour ahead, like it should be. So it's working correctly. Let's go back to the menu, and let's go back to the clock. Let's look at some of the other time zones. Go to the Mountain Time Zone. It's an hour behind, like it should be. So all of these functions are working correctly. So I guess that's about it. That's our demo.
Cool. Okay.
This is the cameraman.
Okay. This is the captain right here.
This is William Meaux. Hawley Gary, busy at work. Mohammed over here. And I'm Thomas.